probably taken one of these miracle drugs called antibiotics. Young and old alike, even toddlers and babies are given antibiotics to cure infectious diseases.
Antibiotics are chemicals that help stop infection caused by bacteria. They do this by simply killing the bacteria by interrupting cell wall synthesis or interfering with vital processes such as protein synthesis, hence preventing bacterial growth while leaving human cells unharmed.
Bacteria are extremely small organisms that are virtually everywhere, even inside your mouth. There are over 6 billion bacteria, including 700 species inside your mouth right now. Bacteria are also behind some serious diseases, and antibiotics are there to kill them. Unfortunately, antibiotics cannot kill all microorganisms. So, what do you think will happen when antibiotics can no longer kill bacteria?
In the early days, many previously dangerous diseases were treated using antibiotics. In fact, some antibiotics were overly prescribed, including for viral infections which they have no effect on.
But today, some bacteria have become resistant to all currently available antibiotics and are becoming less effective. This is what we call antibiotic resistance.
When bacteria survive the antibiotics, they become stronger, more powerful, and harder to manage. This happens because the bacteria develop an ability to resist the antibiotics.
Based on the complementary base pairing rule, C only pairs with G, A only pairs with D. Any mistake in the pairing of these nucleotide bases results to the expression of an unintended characteristic. Just like any organism, a bacterium can undergo random mutations. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence caused by DNA copying mistakes or exposure to environmental factors such as radiation. Most of the mutations are harmless, but every now and then, one comes along that gives organisms an edge in survival.
According to Darwin's theory of natural selection, in the struggle for existence, favorable characteristics are preserved and unfavorable ones are destroyed. So any randomly occurring characteristics that gives an organism a better chance of survival will be passed on to the next generation. A bacterium can easily pass a mutated gene in several ways, either by sharing the genetic information during reproduction or by releasing the mutated gene upon death to be picked up by other bacteria. We need to give our scientists and researchers more budget and attention since they make sure that we are one medication ahead resistance.